Hi, good morning. I'm look like poodle today. Just love. I just love how I put these things in my hair. And I want to put some edge in myself, so I will use this to have something in my face. Just wait. How it's look. Oh, kind of like I need to have this in my. I need to draw some because I have like my baby. That's so perfectly beautiful. You like that? And look, this is my outfit. Like, I will go outside. You wanna go with me? Then I will put some accessories. Oh, looks cool.